In this video, I'm going to show you how to flatten text in PDF XChange Editor. Now, first of all, this depends on whichever text you're trying to flatten, okay? So if you go to the Home tab here, and if, for example, you're adding new text via this button over here where it says Add Text, and if I type in hello, for example, as you can see when I go out of here, this basically has been automatically flattened. So I can't click on it, I can't edit it, I can't do anything. Of course, the only way to edit this is to go to Edit Text and edit it from here. Now, that's, of course, the first way you can flatten it by creating these text boxes over here. However, if you have any others, so if I go to comment here, and if I go to, for example, typewriter, and if I type in something random over here, or if I have a text box, for example, I could also type something here, again, like this, and then you could also have like call out, stuff like that, so some text is in here. Now, these actually won't get flattened automatically, so as you can see, I can still move this around, no matter which tool I have selected, like the hand tool or whatever. And to actually flatten these, it's very simple. You want to go to the up top over here where you can see it says review, and then you can flatten the comments over here. So just select these, or of course you could do all at once. So if you want to do it for a specific one, so for example just this one, select it, flatten comments, click flatten, and there we go, this has been flattened. Or you could just flatten all by clicking over here, pressing OK, and there we go, your text will be flattened. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.